Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're exploring one of the most fascinating and unexpected creations in the automotive world, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. BMW has always been known for blending engineering precision with luxury and sportiness. But the idea of them stepping into the motorhome space is something that truly redefines the boundaries of what a luxury vehicle can be. This isn't just about taking a trip. It's about combining cutting-edge automotive technology with the freedom of the open road and doing it in unmistakable BMW style. When you first see the 2026 BMW Motorhome, the exterior makes an immediate impression. This is not your ordinary bulky RV. It carries the sculpted lines and bold stance you'd expect from the brand. The iconic kidney grille dominates the front fascia, framed by sleek laser headlights that stretch elegantly across the body, giving it a futuristic and commanding presence. Aerodynamics play a key role here. Despite its size, the surfaces are sculpted to reduce drag with flowing curves that make it look more like a luxury SUV than a typical motorhome. The long wheelbase, sharp character lines, and flush door handles all create a seamless profile. Chrome accents are used sparingly, paired with matte finishes and dynamic alloy wheels that feel modern, sophisticated, and purposeful. This is the kind of motorhome that looks at home, both at a high-end resort and cruising through the Autobahn. Step inside, and BMW takes the motorhome interior to a completely different level. The cabin feels like a moving luxury apartment. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by a sense of light and openness. Large panoramic windows let natural light flood in, and a skylight runs along the roofline, blurring the boundaries between inside and outside. The design philosophy is clearly modern and minimalistic, with a mix of fine leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and even crystal detailing across surfaces. Seating is crafted with BMW's signature comfort-first philosophy. Multi-contour chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, all wrapped in premium materials. The living space is cleverly laid out, offering a lounge area that doubles as a dining space, with an extendable table and plush seating that can convert for guests. At the rear, the sleeping quarters are nothing short of luxurious. A full king-size bed with adaptive mattress technology ensures comfort even on long trips, and the lighting system lets you adjust moods with precision. From soft ambient tones in the evening to bright daylight simulation in the morning. The kitchen is compact but high-tech, featuring induction cooking, smart storage, and premium appliances, all seamlessly integrated into the sleek cabinetry. The bathroom feels like a spa, with a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and a surprising amount of space. Every detail is refined and deliberate, with the kind of craftsmanship you'd expect from BMW's highest-end sedans, now translated into a motorhome setting. Performance is where this motorhome sets itself apart from nearly every competitor. Unlike traditional RVs that often feel heavy and sluggish, the BMW Motorhome has been engineered with the brand's driving DNA. Power comes from a hybrid system that combines a 3.0-liter inline-six with BMW's latest electric drive technology, producing over 500 horsepower. Despite its size, acceleration is smooth and responsive, making merging onto highways effortless. The hybrid system also means extended range and improved fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes. Handling benefits from adaptive air, suspension, and rear-wheel steering, which provide stability at high speeds and remarkable agility in tighter spaces. On the open road, it delivers that signature BMW experience: quiet, composed, and effortlessly powerful. Technology enhances every aspect of the drive. The motorhome is equipped with BMW's iDrive 9 infotainment system, spread across multiple high-resolution screens throughout the cabin. The driver benefits from a fully digital cockpit with augmented reality navigation, while passengers can control climate, entertainment, and even lighting from their own touchscreens or voice commands. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and semi-autonomous highway driving make long journeys far more relaxing. Of course, we can't ignore the price. The 2026 BMW Motorhome sits at the very top of the luxury motorhome market. Starting prices are expected to begin around $400,000 and can easily exceed $600,000 once customized options and bespoke packages are added. This places it squarely in competition with some of the most premium motorhomes and luxury RVs in the world. But what sets it apart is that no other motorhome combines the prestige of BMW's brand, the driving performance they're known for, and the luxurious lifestyle features of a high-end apartment on wheels. To wrap it up, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It blends exterior design that turns heads, an interior that rivals boutique hotels, performance that only BMW could deliver in such a large format, and pricing that reflects its exclusivity. It's designed for those who want freedom without compromise, the ability to travel anywhere while never leaving behind comfort, luxury, or driving pleasure. For those who thought a motorhome was only about function,